Hey guys, fall's coming. We're going to need the utility trailer to haul the Razor out in the bush for recreational activities. As you can see, we're starting to get a little bit of rust starting to pop up on this thing. A couple months ago, I ordered in this Vevor surface conditioner from Amazon.com. I'll throw an affiliate link down below. Basically, it is a heavy-duty angle grinder that somebody's put a Scotch-Brite wheel on. And let's see how well this thing's going to do stripping off some of this rust. Before I started recording, I did just a little bit of a quick test. Started peeling some of the surface rust off here. Let me put you guys in the stand and I'll fire this thing up. We'll see if we can clean that up a little bit more. And we'll see if we can make it black again. Basically what we've got here is a heavy-duty angle grinder that they've turned the handle on 90 degrees so that it rides like this. We've got variable speed with a little chart saying how fast we're turning. 3000 RPM at 6. So we'll give that a little try. Quite getting all of the scale off of there, but I am bringing the paint down to bare steel around the rustiness. I'm going to continue on. We'll scrape at this a little bit. Take the paint off, and then we'll try cleaning that up a little bit more. That certainly has made an improvement. The rust scale is still left on the surface of the metal, and that's going to be hard to peel off. And even if we do manage to get it down almost like sandblasted, there's still going to be a little bit of oxides down in the bottom of the pits, and that'll likely come back. But we use some rust converter. I'm not going to claim Rust Check is the best brand in the whole world, but it's what I've got. So let me shake this up. I'll bring you guys back. We'll throw some on this rust and see if we can get it to convert to some other chemical compound. Then we'll try and clean it up with some paint. Got the rust converter shaken fairly well. I'll give this a quick little wipe down. This is just brick cleaner on a rag. That's all I have here at the new house to do the wipe down with. Get the residue off. Now this should go on as a fairly clear liquid, and then where it meets with the rust, it should turn into like a black oxide. Although that's kind of what we have here already. We'll let that sit for a little while. I've got a few more of these spots along the box rail here that need to get cleaned up. I'm going to go at them with the grinder, and I'll bring you guys back in 10 or 15 minutes when this should be starting its conversion process. The rust converter, yeah, it's a little tacky still, but for the most part it's set up here, and you can see the over the metal here where It was clear when we sprayed it on, has now kind of darkened a little bit. I'm going to guess that there was some slight oxides in there that it's reacting with. Supposedly that's how this stuff works. While we were waiting for the converter to dry at the back, I went at the front here. I've just basically done this rail across halfways, grind the worst of the scale off and down to bare metal. As you can see, the wheel has worn down quite a bit on this, and a little bit of grinding that I did at the back that I showed you. And I had a little bit of grinding that I've done at the front. So we're not going to get a whole lot of life out of these wheels. Of course, the smaller they get, the slower the surface feet per minute is going to be, because the RPM is fixed. Replacement wheels, obviously Vevor sells replacement wheels, but I don't know how you'd find them. Amazon.com, I'm sure. I'll throw an affiliate link in the description for replacement wheels. But similar machines to this are available from Harbor Freight Tools and from Eastwood Company, and both of those places sell wheels for this thing. Harbor Freight has, I think, 3 different flavors, 3 different aggressiveness on the wheels, so depending on what kind of surface finish you're looking for, you can get a different fine, medium, coarse grit type of thing. I'll throw some non-affiliate links in the description for those too if you're interested. We're still a little bit tacky here, but I think we're good enough. We could probably put some paint on it. Of course, it's going to take me a few minutes to shake up the spray can. This is just some black paint that I had kicking around in my bin. Nothing special. It is a matte Farmhouse Black from Rust-Oleum, whatever that means. We'll put that on, see how it looks, and if we like it, good, we'll keep it. If not, I also have some truck bed coating. We can throw that on as well if we decide we want to try. It's a little windy out here today. Hopefully this doesn't come back and get you guys in the eye. I wouldn't say that that's a real great application, but it'll do. It's just a utility trailer. That looks a lot better than it did when it was rusty. Of course, you don't want the overspray to get over on the Corvette either. We do have a whole bunch more rust down here that needs to get cleaned up. This relatively thin sheet metal will probably rust through on me if I don't clean that up. But you don't need to watch me doing that. It's more of the same what we've already done. Well, the paint is a long ways from being dry. Doesn't look too bad. It might throw another coat on that in a few minutes once it has a chance to tack up. But I think we will call that a successful rust repair. Thanks a lot for stopping by. Greatly appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos. And if you've got this far, maybe throw one of those thumb up things. And if you haven't already done so, try subscribing. Maybe ring that bell icon so you see when I upload fresh videos, which generally is every Sunday. And we'll catch you guys in the next mess. Thanks for watching.